Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to study about what is variance. So in the previous lecture we have seen what is bias, and now we will see what is variance. So variance specifies the amount of variation in the prediction if the different training data set was used. So every time whenever we train our model using the training data set, the variance specifies the amount of variation that is present in the predicted value when we use different data sets to train our model. So in other words, variance tells how much the random variable is different from the expected value, which means the algorithm should be good enough in understanding the hidden mapping between the input and output variables. So the again the model can have low variance or it can have high variance. So low variance means what? It means there is small variation in the prediction of the target function, or we can say in the predicted output or predicted value with change in the training data set. So low variance means the model consists, when the model predicts the output, there is only small variation between the predicted output and the actual output when we change the training data set. High variance, it means there is high variation in the prediction of the target function with the change in the training data set. So low variance, so linear algorithms mostly have the low variance because they are very simple models and very simple to learn from the training data set. So linear algorithms are linear regression, logistic regression. So all these linear algorithms have low variance. So high variance, so non-linear algorithms such as decision tree, k-nearest neighbor and support vector machines have high variance. So the model with high variance learns too much and performs well with the training data set. So as a result, it gives good result with the training data set and gives high error rate with the test data set. So when the model has high variance, it tries to cover all the data points, or it tries to learn all the patterns or the features from the training data set. So as a result, it performs very well with the training data set, but when it is given with the testing data set, so it gives a high errors, or it gives high error rate when it performs with the testing data. So the model that has high variance, the model are very complex in nature, and they also cause the problems such as overfitting. So in the next video we will see what is overfitting. So what are the ways to reduce the high variance? So reduce the number of input features or the number of parameters as the model is overfitted. As I have told, the model with high variance tries to cover all the data points from the data set, or it tries to learn all the patterns that is present within the data set. So by reducing the number of input features or number of parameters, the model can be prevented from overfitting. Increase the regularization term. So regularization term is basically used to solve the problem of overfitting. So we will see this in the upcoming videos. Then use less complex models. So the models that have high variance are most complex models, so we need to use less complex model in order to reduce the high variance. So if you want the notes related to this topic, the link is in the description box. Thank you.